Yo, Liddy, what's good, bro? What's cracking? Felt like doing a stream today, so here we are. Market just opened. Well, Asia session. Velar, what's good, man? Thanks for joining in. Howdy from Texas. Mad, bro. How you going? Might be a bit of a lower view stream today because I didn't really tell anyone I was going to do this, but that's all good. Uncle Brocky, what's good, man? How you doing? Just putting on my Instagram. You guys fuck with the thumbnail? Is Asia open at 9 PM EST now because of daylight savings? Yes. Yes, sir. Holy doji candle on open, bro. Just sitting here staring at the charts. That's my day to day. That's how it be, bro. How's the accounts been looking, Jayway? I've got this account right here is just at starting balance. Haven't taken any trades yet. And I've got this copy traded with a 50k as well, and that's and then I've also got another fresh 100k account. And then the Apex accounts, the 6 that I copy trade in the New York session, they are like $400 in drawdown still, because I went pretty deep into the red. But I've been recovering them really good using like $100 risk per trade. So I'm proud of that. I think I'm going to start to up it again to about 200. And if I take a couple losses, I'll bump it down again, but yeah. So accounts are looking pretty good on my end. So it's just a matter of being patient at this point because I've got enough accounts. I've got nine accounts. 6 of them are in a tiny bit of drawdown. So it's pretty good. I feel like listening to some tunes. Keep going, no stopping. Yes, sir. Alright. Still using TradeCopia? Yes, sir. TradeCopia is good as, man. I'm going to start off with some chill gunner. You guys got to let me know how the volume is. Ripping. Absolutely ripping. What's NQ doing? NQ looks really, really nice structurally for some longs. Rolling the dice. Morning, bullpup. That's good, bro. That's on my life. That's on my life. Hop on the mic. Let me know if I should turn the music down. It's too loud. Still running one account personally, but been looking at expanding TradeCopia versus TradeSyncer. TradeCopia, 100%. 100% TradeCopia, bro. You can get a free trial. I've got a link in my Discord if you want to get a free trial of that. I think it's a 2-week free trial, maybe 7 days. You can give it a shot. Pretty much every trade I take when I copy trade, like if it's all on the same firm, all the trades are the exact same P&L. No, Asia opens at this time now. No, it's not subscription per account. It's just a monthly subscription to use the service, and you can use up to 40 accounts, maybe something like that. You can do Trade-Evade, Project X, Ninja Trader. Yeah. Sold. If you do sign up for it, check out my link. Shameless plug. No, daylight savings means that it's gone back in it, like forward an hour. Music's echoey? Really? Win-win scenario? Yes, sir. Dude, NQ looks pretty fucking good. Ah, shit song. Shit song. Yeah, Apex have blocked trading metals. It's annoying as. Gold and NQ both look good for longs, which means I'm probably going to be wrong on one of them. I'd prefer to long gold. Yeah, I know, metals are literally like back to normal. I don't know why it's still blocked, bro. It's stupid. What app do I use to record? OBS Studios. OBS. Fuck it, I'll go up to play. I've got a pretty like strong draw on liquidity for NQ and for gold up here, to be honest. Jeez. This 3-minute actually looked really good on NQ, and I didn't take it. I got it. Okay, then go out to play. Yeah, I really wish that they would unban gold on Apex. That's the only reason I've really been trading the New York session, is because I have to trade those Apex accounts. But the New York session's at a better time for me now with daylight savings, which is nice. Okay. Hate trading prop firms. Fair enough. I'm the same. I'd love to trade live, but it's like, I know that it's still good to trade a live account. But like putting 2k or even like 5k in a live account, it just, like, I know how much I could scale with prop firms, so like it just seems like such a waste to not be trading props. I guess because of the oil volatility and rising bonds making US dollar appreciate, but gold more like looking for buying the dip. Well, you can make a lot with like a 2k or like a 5k live account, but you just kind of have to like over leverage a bit. Like you kind of just have to over leverage in the start until you start to build it up. I still chart on XAU, but I enter on MJC. I really just chart on MJC, but I just look at like the actual levels on XAU. Like if I was in a long and we're about to hit TP up here, I'd just be waiting to see if XAU is going to hit, and then I'd switch to MJC. S&T, ES, and NQ. Yeah, I guess. Wait. Talking about this tiny SMT here at these highs. I really want to go long on gold. Turn down the music a bit. Okay. I'll turn it up again a little bit. Yeah, I want gold longs. I like the fact that gold's come into this gap here on the 1 hour. Alright. I like this. And then, you know, even just break even here. And then see if we can let this ride all the way up there. And this is a 1 minute gap we're still respecting. Yeah, this could look good. And do like this. see. Do I trade IFVGs? Sometimes. I have 2 entry models. I trade IFVGs, but I also just trade regular fair value gaps, just being respected as well. I prefer to see like a gap getting respected, like here on the 1 minute, and then also a 30-second getting inversed at the same time. Like that's what I'm looking at right now. So we're respecting this 1 minute here and here, and then on the 30-second we've just got this inverse, but I want to wait for this 1 minute to close as well. Fuck. I don't really like that anymore, unless we close above these highs all the way up there. That's a pretty shitty TP. It's like a break-even point. Why didn't it fill me? I didn't get in. Yeah, double confluence. Yeah, exactly. I was gonna take this trade, but I didn't. I'll tell you why, right? So we respected this 1 minute gap, and yes, we got this 30-second inverse, but I wanted to see this 1 minute gap just close. Like we came and we wicked this high here and closed back inside. So I wanted to see the 1 minute like close above here, like strongly, and it didn't do that. So almost got the entry, but I didn't. No bottom wick on this candle. So realistically, if this 1 minute candle closes above here, I like that, but we don't have a bottom wick on this candle. So that makes me think we need to come back at least to there. Same with the 2 minute, no bottom wick. This was almost a perfect entry, bro, but this, I just don't like this. It wouldn't surprise me if we just ripped this high though. Even the 3 minute doesn't have a bottom wick. Damn. Damn, that would have been my break even right there. That's alright. We ball, bro. Always another trade. Exactly, bro. Exactly. I don't... Like, I'm annoyed I didn't take it, but I just, like... This was way too sketchy, in my opinion. I still think we're going to come lower, so I might get a re-entry even. And if we do just keep ripping towards here, I'll probably just take a continuation up to this high. Over here. If we do rip that far, but, like, how far is that? That's... It's another 42 points. We'll see. I'm kind of hoping that we get a close on the 5 minute above here. So it's not like a liquidity sweep and we actually just get a continuation higher. That would make the most sense. TradingView already accommodates for daylight saving? What? But like, you can't tell me that this candle at 21 isn't the Asia Open. Look how big this candle was, bro. Whereas 20, it was 20. 20 was here. Like, the thing is, right, Asia Open, Asia doesn't have daylight savings. They don't have daylight savings, and for the last couple months, Asia Open has been at 12 PM for me. It's 12:23 right now. And New York, or yeah, Eastern time in the US did hit daylight savings, so they went back an hour, but the time in Asia stayed the same, and it stayed the same in Australia as well. So I don't understand how the Asia session could be at a different time for me. It should be at the same time for me, because nothing has changed. But because my chart is on New York time, it's an hour later, but it's still the same time. So Asia Open, in my opinion, is still at 12 PM, Sydney, Melbourne time. Who can I trust? Don't know if I can love. It's like a fucking drug. Each time you pull me up. Who can I trust? Don't know if I can love. It's like a fucking drug because you give me. Oh, that would have been a nice trade. I like this 5 minute close though. Really nice close on the 5 minute. Like, as long as we close above here, that looks pretty good to me to keep going higher. It's like putting in a new high pretty much. Yeah, that's good. Each time you pull me up, you cannot trust. Don't know if I can love. It's like a fucking drug. What's up? Just joined. How's trading been going recently? Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. I went 4 for 4 last week. I haven't taken any trades yet this week. Well, actually, that's a lie. I did blow an eval last night. But it was 3k in drawdown, and I passed 2 out of 3, so. It wasn't the best trade though, I probably shouldn't have taken it. Damn, bro. Just keep going higher. Do evals even count? Nah, I didn't take any trades on the funded accounts in the New York session. I think the New York session was so arse, bro. Like, the New York Open, look at this shit. The only trade was this 2-minute IFG. Like that. Like, you could have shorted this. I saw a lot of people shorted this. And, like, even if you took full TP down here, you could have caught it, like, if you had your stop at the high, if you got full TP, that was just a 1-to-1. Like, it was okay. If you had a smaller stop loss, that was pretty good. But other than that, bro, like, just choppy, choppy, choppy. So I didn't trade it. If you were patient enough and you were still trading at 1040, you could have caught some nice longs. Here's an example of why I chart up on XAU. See how here on XAU, this candle that came down, it didn't come into this gap, but then on GC it did. So that's like a false. That's like not true in my opinion, because XAU didn't do this. That's why I look at XAU. Am I back to trading 1-to-1? Yeah, kinda. CPI stream this week? We could do that. We could do that. That'd be kind of fun. That's on Wednesday, isn't it? When's that? Yeah, Wednesday. Going for longs here, aiming for the New York highs. Yes, sir. I mean, it's not these New York highs from yesterday. It's the ones from Sunday Open, but yeah, it looks like a really good target. Come into this 2-minute. What time is it for me? 12:30 PM. Midday. We full boarding? Let's fucking go. Yeah, I actually don't need to take any, like, I don't really need to pass any evals. I've got quite a few accounts at the moment, but I'll do it for the love of the game. Oh, CPI's at 11:30 PM for me, so like just before midnight. $5 AM for you? That's rough. Right now or CPI? Buy some Apex accounts? Yeah, I probably will. I'll probably get the new end of day drawdown ones. But the thing is like the 6 Apex accounts I've got right now, they're the trailing drawdown ones. So like I'd prefer to have all of the accounts the same for copy trading reasons, but like, do I use CPI to pass all my accounts? No, not always. I've passed some accounts, but sometimes I just trade them normally. Asia sessions 5 to 6 PM. That's pretty good. Bit of a shit time for the New York session though. Where are you? Like South Africa or something? Alright. How far do I do for CPI? I do the buy and the sell stop 30 points above and below price, like for the trigger. And then for the amount of points for my TP, that depends on what account size it is, how many contracts I've got in the trade. So like if I've got three minis, that's $60 a point. So if I need 1,500 divided by 60, so if my profit target on a 25k is 1,500 and I'm using 3 minis, then I would just target 25 points to pass the accounts. But on like the 100k accounts, I usually need to get like 6 minis, I think is the max. So that's 120, 6,000 divided by 120. So yeah, if it's a 100k account, you need like 50 points, which is quite a lot. So on CPI, the easiest accounts to pass is like the lower size accounts, for sure. I can't wait until the New York session's at 11:30, bro. My sleep schedule's fucked up. The worst thing is like I like trading Asia and New York, and there's like 10 hours between both sessions. So like I can get 8 hours sleep, and then I have like half an hour or an hour, and then I got to get on and trade Asia, and it's just like, ugh. And I feel like that causes me to miss like the initial move on Asia Open quite a lot as well. How's it going? Pretty good, bro. How are you, Tanner? Chilling? Yeah, mate, all good. Chilling here in Dubai. Damn, nice, bro. Do you live in Dubai, or are you just on a holiday? What's going on with that? We all cooked today? I didn't, bro. I haven't taken a trade yet. Did you catch longs on gold? There was a really nice long potential, but the reason I didn't take it is because this 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute didn't have a bottom wick. And now I'm sort of getting a nice setup potentially to the upside again if we close above this candle that wicked into this 3 minute gap. And we still haven't put a bottom wick on this candle. That's the thing. Session's almost over, bud. Did I trade that monster power hour trade last night in the New York session? No. Those shorts in the New York AM, they were pretty good, bro, but it was kind of like a pattern trade. It seemed like a bit of a pattern trade to me. That's why I didn't take it. Bro, longs look good, but this is fucking me. I guess on the 5 minute it still looks okay. If we get a close above here, I'll probably take it. Like, that's final TP, it's a massive trade. Nah, I'm gonna hold off. This is the thing, bro. Like, I'm waiting for these light bulb trades, and this is like so perfect. But if this trade loses, I'm gonna be so annoyed that I didn't wait for us to come lower here. I think that like this is kind of a FOMO entry. Like, I'm buying the top of the session so far, and maybe we do just continue ripping. But I don't know, bro. My father Jay, what's poppin'? Chillin', bro. How are you, Les? Have I seen oil futures? They went crazy? Yeah, I know. I'm not really tapped in with how to trade oil that much, though. Forex, bros, where you at? Les trades Forex. I wonder why we dumped so much on NQ for market open on Sunday. Just war news, bro. People are scared. People are scared to have their money in NQ. That's the thing as well. Like, NQ longs here today look really good. Like, look how much we're moving up. But like, on a fundamental level, I don't know why NQ is going up so much. I don't know why NQ is going up, bro. Like, nothing good is happening. Nothing good is happening for the US economy right now, in my humble opinion. So, like, I am a scalper. Like, I trade like the 1 minute up to like the 5 minute. So I guess like it's not really that important, but I don't see why NQ is moving higher so much. I don't get that. Insider stuff? Yeah, bro. It all seems so fucking manipulated and fake. Because Trump said the war may be over. Yeah. Shit is not even close to being over. NQ and ES are forever stocks, so they'll continue to go up. Yeah, but like, dude, if you're getting into NQ right now for long-term investments, like, you're cooked, in my opinion. I reckon the AI bubble's better burst, bro. I don't see anything good coming out of all this shit that's going on. Your friend got deployed in Australia over the weekend? Fuck. I didn't actually realise we'd send anybody over yet. I saw a statistic, I can't remember the source, but they said something like, if the US was to deploy foot soldiers in Iran, they would need like 2 million soldiers to win, and Iran would only need like 500,000. Yes, the AI bubble needs to burst. It does, but it's not going to be good. Still at it, bro. Here we are chasing candles. Bloody earth, bro. I really hope this isn't a day where I just watch every good setup just go by again. I would love to come a bit lower, man. What I'm doing at the moment, I made a video about this on Instagram. I don't know if anyone really is tapped in with all that, but I'm trying to just take better trades, like just take the trades that are just like so A plus, like I don't have any doubt, I don't have any reason to think that there's like anything wrong with the trade. But then that's going to happen less often, and when that does happen, I want to go in with more risk. I want to risk more on those trades, because what I've been doing, and I think it's been causing me to just break even a lot, is like taking trades that are like almost perfect but like not quite, and using less risk, and then it just ends up in me like having like way more losses than I need to, and I'm like justifying that because I'm using less risk. So I'm like, oh well, I'm not risking that much, so it doesn't really matter if this trade doesn't win. But that's like that's a completely wrong approach. Like the whole point of trading is to take good trades that you're confident are gonna win. And so that's gonna happen less often, and I'm gonna take trades with more size when it does happen. Like 400 to 500 risk. Jump in small buy, bro, but buy back into the trace we hold long. I know, longs do look really, really good, but I don't know. I've genuinely had 2 perfect setups occur, and I faded both of them because of this 3-minute candle, and I feel like I'm putting way too much emphasis on it. I'd rather be patient though and get a better entry than trying to buy at the top like a fucking newbie. But I still think we come here today, 5-2-10. What do I think of Asia recently? I haven't been able to catch too many trades in Asia, bro. What I like to do the most in the Asia session is target the previous New York session highs and lows. Like that's the strongest trades for me, and pretty much every day that Asia opens we're like already above those highs or like already below those lows. So that's why I haven't been finding too many trades. Like my ideal setup is if we're like I don't know, we'll just go back to the like end of the New York session. Like I don't know, if we were like came down and we were like in here, and then maybe we came to like equilibrium, and then we got to set up here to target these New York highs. Like that's the trade I want to be taking, to be honest. And most of the time we're just already above those. Things been rough for me, honestly. Yeah, I think it has been. I think that the price action has been pretty hard recently. Like, if we just zoom out a bit, bro. Like, this is what I was talking about at the start of the month, is how like we've just been kind of like ranging, like all in here, like from the 22nd of February to the 27th, this whole week. We were just consolidating, which is just not really a time when I want to be entering trades. Like I just want there to be a clear trend. And then even same here now, bro. Like from the beginning of the month until now, we're in a range on the 4 hour. Like we're not really going anywhere, bro. Which is surprising to me on gold, but like we're just ranging, bro. So I don't think it's, you know, maybe I'm gonna miss out on some entries. I already did miss out on some entries today, but I would just rather things to be clear, and then when they are clear, just go in with more size. That's like my biggest problem as a trader. That's what I've struggled with for the longest time. It's just trading when I shouldn't be. Hey, can someone in the chat please do me a favor? Don't donate to me, but can you click the donate button and see if it works? Like, if it says there's super chats and stuff, because I've got monetization turned off so that I can listen to music. I don't know if it disabled that or not. I'm not asking for your money, just click the button and see if it allows you to do it. This live stream will be helping with that though. Yeah, 100%. It's there? Alright, sweet. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Tanner. Good luck, brother. Love from NZ. Thank you, bro. I love New Zealand. I might try and move there one day. I really want to buy my parents a house in New Zealand. Retire them and buy them a nice house over there by a lake somewhere in the South Island. It's there. Cool. Thanks, guys. Bro, Gary. Thank you, bro. I wasn't asking you guys to donate. I just wanted to know. But thank you. That's actually a good test, though, because I want to see if that money, that $1... I appreciate you, bro. I want to see if that $1 goes to the copyright holders of the music I've been listening to, or if it goes to me. Because yeah, I think that like the record labels get all the money because I'm like listening to their music. I'm like profiting off of their music, I guess. But that's honestly a sacrifice I'm willing to make the streams more enjoyable. Sup, Jay? What's up, Kazu? Take any trades today? Has anyone here taken any trades today? No one's actually said they've taken anything. Nasdaq's ripping too. It's nice to be able to go on YouTube and just talk about your feelings with how your trading journey's been going. Yeah, man, that's the whole reason I started posting in the first place. There's no top wick on the previous day spot chart, for real. Oh, there is. It's fucking tiny though. That's my draw on liquidity. That's what I've been trying to target. Honestly, dude, I could have banked so easily today. I was such a bitch. This is... I need to stop thinking about it. Who cares, man? Who cares? Waiting for the New York session? Fair enough. I miss Asia because it's earlier. It's not. It's not. Asia should be at the same time as it is usually. Asia should be at 9 PM New York time. Once once Australia hits daylight savings, New York Open will be at 11:30 PM Sydney Melbourne time. It'll be at 10:30 PM Queensland time. It'll be at 8:30 PM Perth time, and then like 9:30 or 10:30 in South Australia. But I know for a fact that it will be 11:30 PM Sydney Melbourne time. Can't wait, to be honest. Better than 1:30. Yeah, well, it's actually 12:30 now. AWH. Because New York have changed daylight savings. Does that make sense? So America changed daylight savings, so it went from 1:30 to 12:30, and then when Australia changes, it'll go from 12:30 to 11:30. Almost 3 a.m. here right now. New York session starts at 2:30 p.m. That's peak, bro. That's peak. 2:30 p.m. is when my brain is like the sharpest. It's like when I'm like absolutely dialed. It takes me so long to wake up in the morning, and that's why I always miss like the initial trade in the Asia session, because I trade the New York session and then I wake up and my brain's like foggy. I need to figure out a better streaming setup, because like the chat's over here and I'm always looking over there, and then the chart's here. I feel like I need to have the camera like directly in front of me. And then, yeah, I don't know. Wait, okay, I need your guys' opinion on something. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is a stream from ages ago. That's how my webcam was set up. It's like directly in front and then like above my monitor. Do you reckon that looks better, or the way it is now, like on the slight angle? That's in front. And then like with a wide angle lens as well, I think that would look pretty cool. It's good like this. Alright. It's better like this? Okay. It's good to know. Appreciate it. Wow, bro, we might just deliver all the way up here straight away without getting a single retracement. And this is the initial trade I wanted to take, and who gives a fuck, because I didn't take the trade, alright? That's just my bad. But the trade that I was sizing up, and someone was like, why didn't you get filled? It was... right. Oh no, 30 seconds. Wait, what? Here. This is the initial trade I wanted to take with my stop loss below here. So I would have already been up a 1 to 2, and we might end up delivering all the way up there, which will be pretty crazy, but there's no point worrying about the hindsight, is there? I didn't take the trade. I'm feeling so crazy. Desire. Wasted. NQ still looks fucking good. NQ actually looks really, really good too. We just came and got that high of the new day open. Wow. Just went on a run with the dog. Hell yeah, bro. Could your dog keep up? Am I trading Asia gold? Yep. Well, I'm not trading. I'm looking. I might take a trade. Heads up, we've detected audio in your stream. Bruh. Can you guys still hear me? Nah, he's an English bulldog. Oh, okay. It says that my stream might have been blocked due to taking someone else's song. Do I trade New York? Yes, sir. Every day. Fuck. Am I going to get copyrighted for this music? Yeah, I am. But I don't even care, bro. Whatever. This is a banger. I haven't heard this before. Alright, if gold actually hits this high right here, gold's a write-off for me. I'm not going to trade it. This is painful. I'm gonna go to sleep, force a trade for content. Good luck. Thanks, bro. Have a good sleep. I'll take your advice on that. Thanks for joining in though, appreciate you, bro. Jam back? Yes, sir. Wow, bro, I should not have faded that long. Actual generational fumble right there, bro. $2,000 trade. What am I thinking? I'm thinking I missed out on this long that I should have taken and I didn't. Is trading your friend's account legal? Yeah, if they don't know that you're doing it. But like the money's got to go into their bank account, it can't go into yours. Oh my god, those longs were free. Even NQ is just not giving me any retracements. I should just blind enter full port longs, bro. I was eval banned from Perdia, got a new set under my friend. Gonna split at 75-25. There's no way to find out. No, there's no way to find out, but like the money's got to go into your mate's account. Your mate's got to pay the taxes on it. And then when he sends you the money, like when he sends you the payout money, how are you going to pay tax on that? Because like, you know, you got to declare where that income's coming from. Your mate's not just sending you money. Unless, I mean, I guess you could say he is. I think the best idea would probably be finding a different prop firm, bro. Drew. He's from Dubai. So there's some loopholes and stuff. I don't really know, bro. I don't know about all that. I think the best idea I would say is to see an accountant about that. I wouldn't go looking up too much stuff about tax evasion. Jump in longs on NQ. I'm waiting for a retracement into this 3 minute. Today is just like a no retrace day. It's like just full port longs at this point. No one wants to give any retraces. There's even a 5 minute lower down. Finally caught a stream. Yes, sir. We're not on gold right now. We are, but I've kind of missed the move on gold. I wanted longs today, and we've just delivered the whole way, and I didn't get in. Where this is my draw on liquidity right here. We haven't hit it yet, but like, dude, absolute premium buy there. And gold likes to do this shit where it comes really close to highs, and then it'll just dump all the way down. So I don't want to get in here. That's just like the biggest FOMO trade of all time. I'm already pissed off about the fact that I missed my entry down here. If I had an eval, genuinely, if I had an eval, I would probably enter gold longs and target this. But it's just like a dumb play on the funded account. So I'm looking at NQ at the moment. Just retrace a little bit lower, bro, please. Oh my god. This is the type of situation where I'm like, I wish I just traded off of like pure emotion every day. Like, I have such a strong draw on liquidity higher on gold and NQ. And if I just didn't wait for any type of entry model and just went long, it would have worked. But obviously that's not going to work every day, is it? It's not sustainable. If gold go up, NQ go down. Not today. Not today, bro. Look, this is Asia open on NQ. And Asia open on gold. Both been ripping. There we go. There we go. NQ and gold, they're not exactly correlated like that. Like, it's not like every time gold gets a pump, NQ is gonna dump. But more often than not, it does. But like, let's see what the dollar's doing. Yeah, the dollar's dumping. This is correlated with gold. Technically, we're not out of the game yet. We're not out of the game on gold. I'm sorry, I'm like switching around the charts so much as well. Let's do this, bro. Why didn't I do this earlier? Taking longs out the 5-minute rejection once this 30-second inverses on NQ. That sounds solid. That does sound solid. It's kind of the sort of thing I've been waiting for as well. I think we could maybe retrace a little bit deeper. I'd like an SMT in longs. Reason I don't like the 30-second IFVG play out of this is just because like we're still kind of bearish, like in the very short term, right? Like the better trade in my opinion, and maybe my opinion today is not the best because I've been missing all the moves being too patient, but like I would prefer NQ to actually like make a new high and like start to build more like bullish structure, and then take like just a regular fair value gap, like continuation going higher out of that, instead of trying to like catch the bottom, even though this is just a very short-term move. $46 viewers, nice. Little frat flick for the stream. See, we're still going lower on NQ. I actually prefer that. If you're in longs, Good luck, bro. Hopefully this hits for you. Gonna jump in long. Nice reaction on NQ out of this. Really nice, Jesus. I'm locked in right now. Banger! Why don't I stream New York? I don't stream New York because I like talking to people in the Discord in the New York session. I just join the voice chat and just talk, usually. Talk to my American friends, Market Maker Drew, my Bahrain friends, Alanizi, my Finland friends, Jar, my British friends, Vasetti, my Australian or Kiwi friend, I don't know, shut your bitch ass up. Lavery, my Irish friend Lavery. My goat. Facts. Lavery's the goat. If anyone in this stream wants to talk to a funny ass dude, join my Discord voice chat at New York Open. You'll get a laugh, bro, guaranteed. So lonely to stream without fucking Lavery. Maybe I should like dual host a stream with Lavery. Also, everybody in the stream, I'm trying to plan a trading tournament. So I've got 3 50k evals that I'm giving away for free. And I'm going to do a trading tournament. So whoever wins the tournament, like whoever comes top 3, or like I'll separate it into rounds. And then whoever like the 3 winners of those rounds are, they'll win a free 50k account. So if you guys want to know more about that, Join my Discord. It's free. It's free. It's in my YouTube bio. I think we miss the move every day. Yeah. Gold's looking alright as well. I might potentially be able to get in long on gold. I want to wait for this 5-minute candle to close above this candle here. So hopefully we don't just rip up here now. This is a trade I might want to enter on gold. Like this. TP here, potentially, or break even. And then final TP up here. It looks alright. We've still got that draw on liquidity up above. Nope. Nope. We did get it on XAU. Fuck. Why am I feeling like this? Check the 3-minute. I don't know why, bro. I don't know why I'm so hesitant today. What up, Jay? Vils from the Discord. Hey. That was almost perfect. Like, I wanted to see a strong close above this high. Like, literally just a little bit higher. I just keep getting fucked by shit like that. Suffering from patience. Alright, let's switch up the tunes. Yourself alive. I find gold manipulates the way it wants to go first on the high time frame, then the opposite goes the side it liquidated first. Not 100% all the time, but more often than not. Yeah, gold fucks you very often. Digits. Horses don't stop, they keep going. Hustlers? Nah, it's not hustlers, bro. It's horses. Horses don't stop, they keep going. Yeah. I just refuse to believe that it's hustlers. They just gotta change the lyrics, bro. You can hear the music through my mic. Yeah, it's playing out loud. Okay, I could do this. Hang on. Let's do this. Alright, you guys gotta let me know how the volume is. Like, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Too loud, too quiet. Shorting gold. Fair enough. That's what makes a market. It's fine. Sweet. Sweet. Horses don't stop, they keep going. Yeah. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Thanks, guys. Mic works, you can put music up a little bit, not too much though. Alright. The money. I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. I reckon we continue pulling back on NQ and gold, to be honest. All blue type shit. White boy from the burbs playing those hood bangers. We need that young thug. Alright. I queued a banger Young Thug song. Right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the mood. Just got back. Did I take any trades? No, I haven't. Dude, today's actually been pretty textbook as well. I don't know. I don't know if it's the fact that I'm streaming that's not helping. But nothing's been like light bulb. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the light bulb setup. Crushing on some food type shit. Like, in terms of fair value gaps today, holy shit, bro. We've been delivering so nice from them. Like, pretty much every fair value gap's been holding. Like the higher time frame ones. It's actually been so nice to watch. Like, this is the type of shit, like, even though I haven't caught a trade, like, I'm okay to just watch this because it's not just absolute eyesore. I can turn off these sessions as well. Just got out at break even. I'm getting off. Asia's moving us. Fair enough, bro. It's probably a good call. $1K in the bag. I'll show it to you later. Nice, bro. Did I catch that trade on NQ? 1 mini on that 5-minute FVG. Yeah, I see that. Wait, this one here? Or this one here? Or this one here? Anything would have worked. Do I still trade IFVG? Yep. I just prefer to see a fair value gap getting respected, and then like a close above, and preferably an IFVG as well. Like there's an example on gold that I faded, right? At like around here, right? I can take a hold of church, yeah, monster type shit. Here, right? Is this the trade? Yeah, like... Okay, so here, right? This is a fair value gap. We get the inversion here on this candle, right? So this candle inverses that gap. And at the same time, we also came into this gap lower, which was like a 3-minute, right? Maybe 2-minute. I'm just confusing myself at this point. Yeah, so on the 1 minute, right, we got this gap and this one here. We came lower, we respect this gap, and we also get an inversion coming back out of that. So I've like stacked those two confluences. Like that's the perfect A+ trade for me. And the only reason I didn't take this trade is because on the 3-minute, oh, this isn't even the one. I just straight up missed this trade. I just missed this trade. Like that's peak for me. It doesn't get much clearer than that. But you know, I missed it, so it is what it is. I just wasn't concentrating, I guess. Like, actually, gold looks fucking good right now. Why must gold stop me out every damn time? I feel that. Do I think TradeZella is worth it? I think TradeZella is good if you're like already making some money from trading, but it's just like another expense monthly that I don't think is 100% necessary. I'm very lucky, bro. Like I make videos, I make content, so like I got TradeZella for free for an entire year just to promote TradeZella. And I actually find this, I probably shouldn't say this, but a problem that I find with TradeZella is that sometimes I don't act like it, because it automatically journals your trades. I don't actually look at it. Like I don't actually pay attention. Like it automatically journals, and then I just like don't look at it after that, and I don't really pay attention. But whereas when I'm like journaling it on Notion, like it's an actual physical action, you know, it's like writing on paper compared to writing in your notes. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, man. I think that I've just fumbled today. I don't think I can get in. I think I'm too late. Nasdaq looks good. Gold, I'm just chasing. Gonna catch some bigger moves in the New York session. Yeah, hopefully. That's another reason I like trading both sessions, is because like it does help me to be patient in the Asia session. I'm like, if I don't see a trade in the Asia session, I'll probably see a trade in the New York session. But like yesterday, I didn't see any trades in Asia or any trades in the New York session. I just straight up didn't trade yesterday. Yeah, exactly. You just don't end up actually reviewing the trades. You just look at the like P&L on the calendar. But it is good because like if you actually are to go through and review the stats, like you'll see like a lot of things that you wouldn't have journaled. Like it does track everything. It is good. It is good. I should just use it more. But like the thing is like I connect my accounts, and then like if I blow that funded account, like it just messes up all my stats. Like one day I'll be trading at eval and I might make like 3k, and then I journal it on there, and then on the funded accounts I'm only making like a couple hundred. So like I don't know, I shouldn't even be tracking the evals. I should just be tracking the funded accounts. And this is the way that I track on Notion. This is the way I use my Notion template. So I just like put a screenshot of each trade. Like this was last week. So I just like put the trade, and then I like have some confluences here. This is all free, by the way. If anyone wants this journal, it's in my Discord for 100% free. I made this template. So like I can choose the confluences I want, like why I took the trade, the date, just a bit of stuff about psychology. Like I was stressing bad, held the trade while I was at work, and I was stressing bad, held the trade while I was at work, and I was tweaking because it was to pass a 100k eval, had 2,000 risk on the table, which is why I was emotional. And then just how much I risk to reward. So I caught a 1 to 3, and then I also put like the ideal risk to reward. So what is the max that this trade actually could have gone to? And in this case, it was a 4R. And then in like this trade here, this was a 7.4R, holy shit. And it could have gone to an 11.5R. So the plan with tracking the ideal risk to reward is like right now I trade, I just trade 1-to-1 risk to reward most of the time. Like I trail my stop, and that's just for psychology reasons, just to like win more often. It's just better for my psychology. But I want to have enough data over like 500 trades to know like, okay, like I can get the average risk to reward of every trade that I've taken, and then find out what that average is, and then just try and target that most of the time. If that average is a 1 to 2, then just try and catch 1 to 2s most of the time. If it's 1 to 1.5, try and catch 1 to 1.5 most of the time. You get the picture. But that's something that I'm sure I could do in TradeZella as well, but it's different when you do it on here. And I've also got this, which is super outdated, but this is the track record for my lifetime 1-to-1 trades, and I actually stopped tracking this quite a while ago, which I'm really I wish I didn't do that, man. I fucked myself over, but I had 54 wins and 40 losses with a 1-to-1 when I stopped, which is actually pretty shit. Like only a 58% win rate, which totaled to a plus 15R, which is actually okay, but this is when I was still in eval jail and still trying to get the hang of things, so I need to start tracking this again. But yeah. What the fuck is this price action on gold? Gold's been pretty fucking clear today. I say that, but I didn't get into anything, so. To be called as a just pretending like I know the fucking words. Come here and turn me up, bro. How come every time I stream I don't trade? I think I'm too patient. I think I'm too scared to lose in front of you guys. Like a little bitch. Like a little pussy ass bitch. I see it, your bullshit, yeah, I see it, your bullshit, yeah, I see it. I see it, your bullshit, yeah, I see it, your bullshit, yeah, I see it. You might have a chance if NQ goes bearish. Yeah, I was thinking if NQ comes a little lower, maybe retest this low down here and keeps holding this gap, that would be a pretty nice opportunity for some longs. Rather stick with something that if you're confident, then you take the trade. Yeah, exactly. Like that's like hindsight's killing me today, bro. You guys probably can tell in the chat. Like just looking at the trades that I missed out on, but like there's a reason I didn't take them at the time, eh? Whether that's like a bit of gut feeling, like just intuition, or if there was something missing, like to take a trade, everything needs to be there. It just needs to be. That's what I'm planning for this whole month, bro. This whole month, I just want to make sure that every trade I take is fucking good. You're sweet, G. I like hearing you break down your strats. Yeah, I'm very introspective, I guess is the word. Like I just overthink a lot of things about my trading and like myself, and like it's good for content, but it kind of like cooks me sometimes. Like I just overthink every little thing, but I'm sure that you guys probably do the same thing. I'll see you in Discord at New York session. Sweet as, bro. I'll see you there. I don't personally trade Asia, but always good to watch, so you'll probably see me here more. Sweet as, bro. Sounds good. Do I always get a trade on Asia? Yeah, most of the time. But this week, no, I haven't. I easily could have caught trades today. Today's been really nice for longs on everything. In February, I literally traded almost every day, and I had like 24 winning days or something shit. 20 out of 24 days that I traded were winning days in February, only on Gold Asia session. So I guess that tells you something. Would you put yourself on me? Would you put me first? What it take to be yours? Yeah, bro, look at this. This was January. All trades on Asia gold. From Asia Open in that first like hour to 2 hours trading Asia gold. I overtraded on some of these days, but like this is across multiple accounts as well, but like 9 trades, 6 trades, 15, 13, 7 trades, 5, 4, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 3, 1, 6. I caught so many trades in January. I'll join the Discord as well. Always on in New York. Sweet, bro. I've gained a new follower, Tanner. Would you agree on that? Still worked in February? No, February wasn't so good. February wasn't as good of a month. And like, dude, this is totally my fault, but like I stopped. Why are we listening to fucking Australian beach music? In February, like I started trading worse, and then what did I do? I stopped journaling my trades. I stopped like and honestly, like I started to go on a bit of a losing streak, because in January I was like, I kind of got on top of the world. Like I got 2 payouts. I started to stack funded accounts, and then I got all these new funded accounts, and I like started out on a losing streak. Like I lost like 4 or 5 days in a row, and then I like just stopped trading my strategy. Like I just stopped doing what I was doing that worked in January. But at the same time, look at January. Let's look at January on gold. Right? If I go to the 1 hour and we go to January, where did January start? Okay, oh yeah, here. This is why I won every day in January. This is why I won every fucking day in January. Every single day, it was clear what we were doing. We were trending up. Every single day, market open on Asia, we could just target those previous New York highs or all-time highs. Every single day, just longs to all-time highs, longs to all-time highs, longs to all-time highs, longs to all-time highs. And like that just proves to me, like, bro, just wait for it to be obvious. Just wait for the trades to be clear. You know, imagine if I was taking those trades with size across all of these accounts that I've got now and being patient, waiting for something like this. Like, that's easy money, bro. You don't have to be a good trader. You don't have to really know any technical analysis at all. Like, if you just keep buying up, we're going to probably make money. But whereas now, like, look at this now. Like, look at this. Just got to be so much more patient. And this is something that I realized after having a shit month in February, because February was also the same. It was a little bit more of a trend, but like, all right, this is the start of February. Yes, on the first day we had a massive pump, right? But if I go to like the third day or like the second day, this was February. So we were kind of doing the same thing. We were sort of trending up, but for the most part, we were just chopping. And even worse this month. So that's why I've been trading NQ during the New York session recently. But even NQ, bro, same thing. Like, holy fucking chop. This is from the start of February on NQ. It's impossible. It's actually impossible. Like, yes, this is the 1 hour. Yes, this is very high time frame, and I trade the 1 to the 5 minutes. So there's going to be setups in here. There's going to be good trades regardless. But like, from a confidence perspective and like a bit of a longer term perspective, like, I shouldn't be trading. You know, I should be trading this, but I should be very, very careful trading this and not allowing myself to just get chopped. Like, this is so easy to be a break-even trader trading this sort of thing. And that's just something I'm trying to get better at. Sorry for the rant. Yo, Jay, what's good, Philip? You still having those problems with your trading view, bro? Alright, we'll delete this now. You guys get the point. Alright, I might have to end the stream. Unfortunately, we didn't get a trade again today. I streamed last week on Friday or Thursday, and we didn't get a trade either, so that's sort of annoying for those of you who've been watching the streams. But how many data collection have I got on Asia? I've got data on Asia for like the whole, like, pretty much like this year. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I've been slacking on the journaling so bad. That's what I'm trying to get a lot better at. It's so easy to journal when you're winning, and then you start losing, and you just, like, for me anyway, like, I just start slacking off, and it's like, that's how you become a good trader, is by like improving and like working out what's not working. And I do kind of journal because I've got all of my YouTube videos and I do a lot of thinking, but yeah, that's something that I'm this month and just going forward, like, every single trade I take is going to be a good trade, and it's going to be journaled thoroughly. Because this is going to be my fucking year, bro. I've been trading for too long to just, like, not take this shit seriously. A couple payouts is good, but it's not enough to fucking fully quit my job. It's not enough to retire my parents. It's not enough for any of that. And like, right now, like, just being 100% transparent, I make more money off social media, and that's not what I want to do. Like, I don't want to have to be posting all the time on Instagram and things. Like, I want to be a trader, bro. That's what I want to do. See you at the top, mate. Fuck yeah, bro. See you there. Alright, I think I'm going to end the stream because we're starting to chop around now, maybe go down. Sorry, Philip, I know you just joined in here. You believe in me? Thanks, bro. I believe in you too. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for joining in, man. It was a good stream. I'm not going to promise anything, but I think I'll probably stream again tomorrow. If anyone wants to talk to me, like, over the mic, join up the Discord. It's free. It's free. It's in my bio. And yeah, I'll be there for the New York session. So yeah. All right. Appreciate you guys, man. Have a good one.